Now here we are going to continue with exercise 18.3 of the chapter mensuration. We have already did till question number 5 in our previous video. Now let's do question number 6. And in question number 6 we have, if each edge of a cube is tripled, then find how many times will its volume become. Now let the original length of the edge be A. So the volume of this cube will be equals to A cube. Now this is the original volume and this one is original edge. Now as the length of the edge is tripled, therefore we are going to take 3a over here and the new volume will be equals to 3a cube, and this is equals to 27a cube. Now a cube was the value of the original volume, so this can be written as volume dash equals to 27 into the previous volume. So the new volume of the cube will be 27 times of the original volume. Now let's see question number 7. Here we have a milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.4 meter and the height is 8 meter. Find the quantity of a milk in liters that can be stored in a tank. Now here in this question we have to find the quantity of the milk which can be contained in this container of the radius 1.4 meter and the height 8 meter. Quantity or the capacity of any container is the volume of that container. So we are going to find the volume of the container, that is the volume of cylinder, with the help of the radius 1.4 and the height 8 meter. Now we know the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. The value of pi will be taking 22 upon 7. R we are having 1.4, so 1.4 into 1.4 into height we are having 8. We can remove the decimal to get 10 over here. Then 7 2 times, and this is giving us 22 into 2, that is 44 into 14 into 8 upon 100. And the product of all of these equals to 4928 upon 100 meter cube. Now in the question it has been asked the quantity of a milk in a liter. Therefore we are going to convert this meter cube into liter, and we know 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. Therefore this is equals to 4928 upon 100 into 1000 liter, and this is going to cancel out two zeros, and this is going as 4928 and 10 liter as answer. Now let's see question number 8. Here we have a closed box is made of 2 centimeter thick wood with external dimension as 84 centimeter into 75 centimeter into 64 centimeter. Find the volume of wood required to make the box. Now here in this question we are having the external dimension, that is length, breadth and height, as 84 centimeter into 75 centimeter into 64 centimeter respectively. And here the thickness of the box is given as 2 centimeter. Now the thickness के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो किसी बॉक्स में दो बार थिकनेस आता है, एक बार ऊपर एक बार नीचे. साइड में लेते हैं तो भी दो बार आता है, और अगर इस साइड से लेते हैं तो भी दो बार, यानी दोनों साइड से हमें थिकनेस मिलेगा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिड्यूस the thickness twice from all length, breadth and height. So we are having the inner dimension of the box as length equals to 80 centimeter, breadth equals to 71 centimeter and the height as 60 centimeter. Then the volume of wood required to make the box is the volume of box from the external dimension, that is capital L, capital B and capital H. We have taken these all, and the volume of the box from the internal dimension, that is L into B into H with a smaller one. We have taken this one. Now we can place the values as 84 into 75 into 64 minus 80 into 71 into 60. And the product of all of this is 403200 minus the product of all of this is 340800, and the difference of all of this is 62400 centimeter cube as answer. Now let's go with question number 9, and here we have two cylindrical jar contains the same amount of milk. If their diameters are in the ratio 3:4, find the ratio of their height. Now as the ratio of diameter has been given as 3:4, so let the d1 equals to 3x and the d2 equals to 4x. अब अगर d1 3x है तो r1, that is radius 1, will be 3 upon 2x. and the radius 2 will be equals to 4x upon 2, that is equals to 2x. Now we have been given the volume of both of the container is same as they are containing the same amount of milk in both of the container. So the volume of the cylinder 1 will be equals to the volume of cylinder 2. So according to question we have volume of cylinder 1 equals to volume of cylinder 2, that is pi r square h, that is 1 and 1 equals to pi r2 square into h2. Now we can cancel out pi from both of the side as they both are constant. And R1 and R2 we are having 3 by 2x and 2x. So R1 can be replaced as 3 upon 2 x to the whole square into h1 equals to 2x to the whole square into h2. Now solve it, and this is giving us 9 upon 4 x square into h1 equals to 4x square into h2. अब यहाँ पर भी x square can be cancelled from both of the side and we can get h1 upon h2, जो कि हमारे required ratio हो जाएगा h1 upon h2, that is equals to 4, and this can be multiplied by this one, so get 4, and this 9 will be in the denominator as 9. So this is equals to 16 upon 9, और further इसको ratio में लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 16:9 as answer. Now let's see question number 10. Here in question number 10 we have the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is half and the height is doubled. What is the ratio of the volume of a new cylinder to that of the original cylinder? Now here in this question, let the original cylinder have the radius r, height h, and the volume will become pi r square h as the formula for the volume of cylinder. Now अब नए सिलेंडर में जो रेडियस है वो हाफ हो जा रहा है, दैट इज पहले हमारे पास r था, so now we are having r by 2 and the height is double of the previous one, so here it is h, so this became 2h. Now the volume, इसका भी अगर हम लोग वॉल्यूम निकालें, so the volume is pi r upon 2 to the whole square into 2h, and this is equals to pi r square upon 4 into 2h, so this can cancel out to give 2, and this will be equals to pi r square h upon 2. Now the volume of new cylinder to that of the original one is equals to pi r square h upon 2 whole upon pi r square h. Now this can be written as pi r square h whole upon, this 2 can be sent in the denominator, so 2 into pi r square h. Now this whole constant can be cancelled out and you will be getting 1 upon 2. This can be further written as in the ratio 1:2 as answer. That's all for this video. Thank you.